Logo: Equal housing opportunity. A tall, sleek apartment building in Charlotte, North Carolina is featured. The building has a rooftop pool patio. A woman with a dog on a leash walks out of the building's front entrance. A sign above the door reads, "Ascent Uptown." She walks across the city street into a nearby park. Next, another woman and a man walk a dog by Truist Field and then sit on a blanket in a park. The woman who came out of the Ascent Uptown building waves to the man and woman as she walks up to them. The woman continues to walk her dog through the park to Waterbean Coffee. She takes her dog inside the coffee shop and orders a beverage. She carries her dog and the beverage to a couch in the shop and then lets her dog lick the cream on top of the beverage. Next, city views are featured. In an apartment, a woman puts a pillow on her bed. In the kitchen, a man walks to a wall of windows and drinks a cup of coffee. The woman from the bedroom joins him at the windows with a cup of coffee. They sit on the couch and talk. The kitchen in the unit features stainless steel appliances and an island with stools. A dining room table and 4 chairs sit by the island adjacent to the living room. Bright and open common areas feature a TV sitting area, tables and chairs lining a wall of windows, a kitchen area, and a gym. The woman from the apartment smiles as she works out on a stationary bicycle. A man lifts weights. The woman continues to work out on weight machines. Next, she does yoga on a mat. Water fills a bottle. The man who is lifting weights works out on a stationary bicycle and drinks the bottle of water. The man and woman from the park walk to District 1 Athletics and play basketball in a gymnasium. The man from the apartment stands on his balcony. Next, he sits by the pool as the woman from the apartment swims in the pool. 3 people sit on chaise lounge chairs by the pool. The man and woman clink their drink glasses. The couple from the park walk up and clink their drink glasses with the others. City views are featured. 2 men from the pool go into a business called Spice. The bartender makes drinks with flames on top, and the men clink their glasses with their friends. A server brings glasses of wine to the men's table, and they clink glasses. The bartender pours more drinks and the men clink glasses with their friends. Logos: Ascent Uptown Charlotte. Equal housing opportunity.